Martin Lappin here for Alternative Heating Solutions and Heatmaster SS. And if you're doing your own install and you're doing it indoors, I mean, this turned out pretty nice. Even got concrete curb there at the back in case any ashes get knocked out. But this is old corn crib, what it is. And we have to the left there's 1 inch Rhino Flex. Then these other twos are 1.25 inches. One runs 100 and it's over 200 feet long. I think it's closer to 3. And this other one's a short run, but it goes to a house that has 2 geothermal units and a water heater. So we used the larger pipe, of course. Now, normally, if I'm having issues making my connections, I go to the truck, get my jack, and pick the back of the stove up 1/2 inch or so. Easy peasy. Well, you can't do that if the stack's already installed. You're gonna have issues. So if you're doing your own, get all your connections done first. Like I said, use a jack, pick it up a little bit, a lot easier. Then put your stack on. This has been Martin Lappin for Alternative Heating Solutions. And if women don't find you handsome, we sing find you handy.